Okay, section 4.2. This is problem number 5, your class examples. Use the following results from a test for marijuana use, which is provided by a certain drug testing company. Among 148 subjects with positive test results, there are 30 false positive results. Among 153 negative results, there are 5 false negative results. Complete parts A through C. Hint, construct a table. So in other words, we want to construct our own table here. What kind of test results do you have? You have positive ones, and we also have negative test results. So these are our test results. Now, what other distinction do you have? You have those that used, and we might even want to make two, used what? Marijuana, whatever you want to call it. And then those that did not use marijuana. Okay, now we got to fill this in. We know that the total number of positive test results among 148 subjects with positive test results, so that's 148. There were 30 false positives. What is a false positive? Those that come back as if they used, but they really didn't. So they did not use marijuana. There was 30 of those. So out of that 148, that would be 118 that did use. All right, negative. Among the 153 negative, what do we know? 5 are false negatives. So if these were the false positives, the false negatives have to go here. They're saying they didn't use marijuana, but they really did. We put that 5 there. And 153 minus 5, I believe, is 148. You can check it if you think you need to. Okay, so I have set up my entire table. Now, it does ask for the total number of subjects, so let's total our columns real quick. Equals sum through that, and I can just say Command C, and I do this, Command V, and I get a total. So how many do I have in all? I've got 301. That is the grand total there. So the total number of subjects is 301. Okay, how many subjects did not use marijuana? Those that did not use marijuana is 178. So once you set that table up, it's pretty easy to read it. What is the probability that a randomly selected subject did not use marijuana? Well, that's what we've been talking about. It's this number divided by that number. So the probability that we did not use, I would simply say equals sum. Okay, the 178 goes on top, divided by the complete total of 301, and that gives you your probability. So that's 3 decimal places, 0.591. 0.591. Okay.